everyone, happy Valentine's Day. It's Kerry here from Kerry Love Cat, and today I have a super cute Valentine's craft idea for you. Go ahead and get one of these little quote books I got from a discount store. So into you. Every single quote I wrote a little funny story or a little picture, and so I put I love your songs with guitar, I love it when you play, and the girls run around because he always plays guitar. So basically for every little quote in this book I put something that I love about my husband or an inside joke. And when love speaks, the voice of all the gods makes heaven drowsy with harmony, William Shakespeare. And for that one I put thank you for being my funky town. Smile, it is the key that fits the lock of everyone's heart, Anthony D'Angelo. And I put, I love your smile, like that song. What was her name? SHANICE? Sharif? I love your smile. Do 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 do. And at the end it says, there is no remedy for love but to love more, Henry David Thoreau. Cheers to 100 times infinity more years. Great, I gave this to him. He thought it was really sweet. He got some laughs out of it. The thing is, it's a book. I'm going to use a different color pen next year, and I'm gonna write different things in there that happen, in the next year. With these little quote books that you can get, and you can get them at Target, you can get them at a bookstore, you can get them I said at the Dollar Tree. You can print out little wallet-sized photos, and you can put a photo on each page, you can put stickers on each page, you can really go all out. Valentine's Day, my favorite thing to get on Valentine's Day is a heart-shaped pizza. I'm Italian, so I just really love pizza. So thank you for listening to this little idea. If you have an idea of what to do with a little book like this, please leave it below in the comments. And if you are new, please subscribe. I usually do a crafty DIY vlog every week, unless, and this is my disclaimer, something happens, somebody gets sick, you know how it goes when you have a family. And this one for Valentine's Day will be for next Valentine's Day because, yeah, I was sick and missed Valentine's Day.